Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the huge number of vacancies notifications regarding the assistant professor. And here the candidates who are having the only post graduation or else the UG Senate or else the PhD. So for all these different types of candidates here, the vacancies are there. Okay, so from huge number of colleges also I'm going to show you the vacancies, guys. And please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the different colleges recruitment notifications and their eligibilities, as well as the last dates and the way of application procedure. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UG Senate December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. So regarding this one, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course for the paper one as well as the electronic science. And this crash course is going to start from 18th August onwards. All the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So regarding this one, the links I kept in the description box of this video, and to get the complete details, I kept at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video. So out of the huge number of college notifications, the first one here we are going to see is BK Birla Group of Institutions from Pilani. So the requirement is there. In BK Institute of Engineering and Technology and Birla Institute of Higher Education and the Technical Training Institute. So coming to the engineering and technology, professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies required in IT, AI, computer science, electrical and mechanical, and the lab instructors are also required in chemistry, electronics engineering and the computer science. And the interested candidates may send a copy of all the testimonials to the provided mail ID here, that is recruitments@bkbiet.ac.in. And coming to the next one, the Institute of Higher Education. Here, assistant professor in botany, EAFM, management, mathematics and zoology required. And the interested candidates may apply to the provided email ID, that is principalbkbihe@gmail.com. And the copy also you have to send to the recruitments@bkbiet.ac.in. And coming to the Technical Training Institute, the Polytechnic Diploma, lecturers are required for the engineering physics and engineering mathematics, and the librarian also required. And the eligible and interested candidates, you may send the details to principalbtti@gmail.com and the copy to the recruitments@bkbiet.ac.in. And the qualifications and salary, each and everything as per the ACT or the UGC norms. And you have to apply within 10 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Okay, so these are the details, guys. And coming to the second college, it is the GL Bajaj Institute of Technology and Management. So from this one, the applications are invited from the experienced academicians for the post of professor, associate and assistant professor in the following departments, that is computer science and engineering, electronics and communication, MBA, information technology, AA and ML, applied science, maths, chemistry, English, soft skills, and MCA and AI and DS. And qualifications and salary as per the ACT norms. For MBA and MCA, PhD will be preferred. And applications are also invited for the lab assistants, manager public relations, social media, PA to director, and a receptionist, data entry operator, PDP, and technical trainers. And please mention the post applied for the department as a subject in the mail, and send your applications through email ID in 7 days to the address given below. So for BTech and MCA, jobs@glbitm.ac.in, and for the applied sciences, jobs@glbitm.ac.in, and for MBA, jobs MBA@glbitm.ac.in. Here the contact numbers are also provided. If you are having any queries, you may contact to any one of the number. And coming to the next one, applications are invited for the post of principal and assistant professor in Foundation Bengali, English, History, Education, Fine Arts, Home Management and Commerce of Dev Narayan Shiksha Sansthan B.Ed College as per the latest NCTE norms. Okay, so here the address and the pin code is also given. Apply to the secretary within 15 days, and the contact number as well as the mail ID is also provided. If you are having any queries regarding this one, here the contact number is also there, so please check down, guys. And coming to the next one is GLA University. In this one, the applications are invited for the professor, associate, assistant professor and the lecturer vacancies. for the computer science, management and commerce, and the political science for law. And the lecturer for polytechnic, computer science, mechanical and electrical, and the technical trainer also required. Electrical engineer and the catering manager. So for the required qualifications and experience and the salary and other details, you may check down the official website of this one. So here the website is also given. The application should reach at least by 20th August 2021 by email ID careers@gla.ac.in in the specified format available at our website. And the shortlisted candidates will be called for the interview. The candidates who already applied at the interviews held after 28/1 need not be applied. And here the contact number is also provided, so you may check down, guys. And coming to the next one, AISSMS Institute of Management. So applications are invited for the professor, associate, and assistant professor vacancies for the academic year 2021 to 22 on ad hoc basis for MBA. So all these are the full-time posts, and the qualifications, everything as per the AICTE norms. The interested candidates standard application may be collected from the institute office from 10 to evening 4. Alternatively, it may also be downloaded from the institute website, and the complete application should reach within 7 days from the date of publication of this advertisement, or else you may send through the email also, guys, director@aissmsiom.org. Okay. And coming to the next one, Unique Institute of Management. So here the professor, associate, and assistant professor vacancies are there. So this one also 15 days from the date of advertisement you have to send, and the TADA will not be paid for attending the interview. So pay scales and educational qualifications, all these things as per the AICTE, UGC, and SPPU, Government of Maharashtra norms. Eligible and interested candidates should submit hard copy of application along with attested photocopies of all certificates and the complete biodata with passport size photograph within 15 days. Okay. And coming to the next one, Amrita Sai Institute of Science and Technology, Autonomous. So in this one, the departments, interested candidates may apply for the following departments. So here the CSE, EC, Civil, EEE, Mechanical, MBA, Maths, English, Chemistry, Physics, Library. So Professor, Associate, Assistant, Lab Technicians, and Data Entry Operators as per the AICTE norms, and the interview dates also mentioned here, 15th August and 20th August. Okay. So here the two different cities are given, Paritala. Next one is Vijayawada. Fine, it is a walk-in interview, and applications are invited for the following post. Interested candidates can attend the interview and demo as per the schedule and send certificates to hr@amritasai.org.in. Okay. And coming to the next one, Vikas College of Engineering and Technology. So Vikas group of institutions. Here the assistant professors are required for civil, mechanical, electrical, computers, agriculture, engineering, S&H, English and mathematics, and MBA and pharmacy. So qualifications, MTech, PG with first class. Okay. And here the assistant professor for polytechnic also mentioned. So BTech, PG with first class and relevant experience. And the lab technicians, web designers, aptitude and reasoning trainer, soft skill and verbal trainer. So all these guys are required. And whoever the interested candidates are there, you may send the resumes as well as the certificates to vctn@gmail.com or else Satyam vctn@gmail.com within 10 days. Okay. So these are the mail IDs as well as it is a college number, and here you may check down the contact number also. If you're having any queries, you may contact this number, guys. Fine. Next one is Ekamra College from Bhubaneswar. So in this one, the walk-in interview for the guest faculties in commerce, physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, math, sociology, education, English, history, and Sanskrit. Interested candidates having minimum 55% marks or above in the PG level may appear for this walk-in interview. No need of UGCNET and no need of PhD. Okay, so on 30th, 31st, and 1st September 2021 with their biodata and all certificates. So if you want to get the more details, you have to visit the official website of this one. And coming to the next college is Asta School of Management. Okay, so here the faculty positions are there. Minimum qualification PG, PhD. PhD is required for the associate and professor category. For assistant professor or PhD is not required. So administrative positions are also there. You may check down. And the interested candidates may send your resume and the recent passport size photograph. Okay, to this provide mail ID recruitment.asta@gmail.com by 18th August 2021. Fine. So total these are the different departments, guys. So it will be very much helpful to you. Okay, so please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues. Fine, it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, Myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.